In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a chart in Google Sheets for beginners. So if you're just getting started with Google Sheets and you want to learn how to insert or create a chart, here's how you can do it. So I have an example data right here. It's quite simple. For the first column, we have the fruits. Second column, the quantity or the number of fruits sold, the price they were sold at, and their total sales. So if we want to have a visual representation of our data, using charts is a great way to do it. So go ahead and select the data that you want to include into your chart. Let's say I just want to include the first two columns right here. Then I'm going to go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Chart. Once I've clicked on that, it will suggest to me a chart. This one is a column chart. So we have our chart title right here, our quantity on our y-axis, and our fruit on our x-axis. Now, since we have some repeated values right here, so we have 3 apples, 2 oranges, and 2 mangoes, what we can do to combine those repeated values would be to aggregate them. So under your x-axis, go to fruit, select aggregate. There you have it. So the numbers on the y-axis represents the number or the quantity sold for each of these fruits right here. So that allows you to visually see that the mango fruit has been the highest quantity sold within your fruits. And if you want to color code these, you can do that by just double clicking on those bars or columns. There you go. You will have your fill color right here, and this is actually under your customize. So if we select a fill color right here, that would represent our apple. Let's make it a red apple. There you go. For our banana, again, just double click on it. Select your color. For orange, of course, that's going to be orange. Our mango are slightly darker yellow. For watermelon, that's going to be green. And for a strawberry, that's going to be a light red or a bright red. That's totally up to you. And there you have it. Now let's try it again, but this time we're going to include everything on our data. So select everything, go to Insert, and select Chart. So now we are again suggested the column chart. Now if you want to change this, what you can do is to go to the top and select the chart type. If you want a different visualization other than the column chart, here are your options. We have your line, area, column, bar, pie chart, scatter, map, and other types of charts. If you want to select, let's say, the pie chart, here we have it. Since again, we have some repeated values, we are just going to go ahead and combine that by clicking on aggregate right here. And there you have it. If you want to customize the colors that are used for each of those pie slices, just click on it and select a different color right here. There you have it for orange. There you go. Banana, apple, strawberry, and watermelon. So now we have another representation of our data, which shows again that we have mango, which is the biggest slice within our pie chart. That just shows that mango has the biggest percentage of our total sales with our fruits. And that's how easy it is. You can create a chart here in Google Sheets. If you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.